Watching NBA games on Fire Stick. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to watch NBA games on Amazon Fire Stick. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick and search for the NBA application. Then download and install the application. Once the application is installed, open the NBA application and either sign in with your existing account or create a new account. Next, go to My Account section or select the Game Details page for the NBA game you want to watch. Tap Subscribe and choose a subscription plan that works for you. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete your subscription using your preferred payment method. Once your subscription is active, you can stream NBA games live or on demand directly from the NBA application on your Fire Stick. And that's all. That's how you will be able to quickly watch NBA games on Amazon Fire Stick.